Enabling or disabling the auto-download MMS feature on the Samsung Galaxy S24 allows control over whether multimedia messages are automatically downloaded and ready for viewing, providing a balance between convenience and data usage. Here's how it's done. Firstly, press the Home button to return to your home screen. Then, launch the Messages app from your home screen. From the list of messages, tap on More Options icon located beside the search icon. From the options that appear, select Settings. Find and select More Settings. In the next screen, select Multimedia Messages. Tap on the toggle button next to Download Automatically to turn this feature on or off. When this feature is activated, any MMS messages you receive will be automatically downloaded and ready for you to view. And that's all there is to it. You can return to your messages by tapping on the back key. Press the Home button to return to your home screen. Thank you for tuning in to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.